Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us today for this virtual open house to discuss the proposed Lake Calumet Trail project. My name is Congresswoman Robin Kelly, and I have the honor of representing the South Side of Chicago, including Lake Calumet, in Congress. Today, as we learn more information from Active Transportation Alliance about this new multi-use trail, I want to highlight some of the benefits this trail would bring to Chicago's South Side and our residents. Throughout the pandemic, we have all had to return to a slower pace, and many of us have relied on nature and public green spaces to safely get outside and exercise. The Lake Calumet Trail will provide safe, outdoor recreation and better connect neighborhoods and residents by foot and bike to Big Marsh Park, the newly opened Pullman National Monument, which is wonderful, by the way, and the South Side of Chicago. In addition to exercise, this trail would provide access to nature and public green space, which is needed across the city of Chicago, but especially for our South Side neighborhoods. For the residents of Roseland and Pullman, this trail could provide access to a wonderful natural resource already right in their backyards. For the rest of our city in Illinois, the trail would provide just one more reason to come and check out all of the good things happening right here in Chicago's South Side. I am looking forward to learning more about the results of the feasibility study and how we can bring this fantastic outdoor resource to our community. Thank you all again, and I hope to see you soon on the trail.